Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and I got another box in from Love from Lizi, which is all about card kits, and we're going to take you through all the amazing stuff that is in this box. It is just literally jam-packed full, and shortly after this video goes live, I get that one last little thing. Shortly after this video is live, I will have a video where you get to see, using all the supplies in this kit, 10 cards using this one kit, and that will be coming up in a few days. But let's check out what's in this kit first. So wow, there's so many fun things. This is awesome. This is the August Love from Lizi kit, and links for the supplies of where you can find them are all going to be down below, so make sure you check that out. All right, so, where do I even start? Okay, well, let's go for this pack first. I love how everything's kind of organized when it comes to me. It just, I don't know, it makes me feel good that it's nice and organized. Oh my goodness. There's things in here that are not just to make cards. Look, these are like little boxes. So this is like a little punch out. Look, I can punch this out. I'm going to have to actually do one real fast because it's just so fun. And they're easy too. That's what's great. So you punch this part out. Or it's already punched for you. You're just kind of getting rid of the perforations. Is the best way to describe it. This is so cool. All right. You kind of fold through all little sections. It kind of shows you everywhere that needs to be folded. There's all these little things here. And you just make sure you fold. And you can kind of flip it over and see it. Oh, there's two of them. No wonder that was so bloody hard. I actually punched through and got two. You get two of these sheets. That's hilarious. Did not even realize I did that. So you just kind of go through and you do all the folds. It's quite simple. You make sure you hit all those creases. And then there's a couple creases here. So there's this one. It's like a little origami. It's already kind of done for you. So I just kind of sped through that little part for you. And then what you start to do is you start folding down these little sections here. And you glue them down like that. And it makes a little box. Isn't that cool? So it makes this little box when it's all said and done. You just have to glue all the pieces together, and I've just done a very rough job, but it's all there. I mean, it's so cool, and I love the geometric patterns of it. So you get two that are in white that have already kind of popped out. You get one or two that are in like this goldish pattern, and then you get some little embellishments that you can stick on, like a gift for you with love, hello, little diamonds. That is kind of a fun little extra treat in here. That is fantastic. So I might have to venture out of doing true cards on the 10 cards with one kit and make some. Oh, look at this. So here's another one. This might have to be like little box kits, little party boxes. Look how fun. Those are adorable. So, so fun. Oh, there's another one. So another set. Oh, yeah, because there's two of them. And then here is, some more little tags and things that you can stick on there. Here is another, I guess it's another little box or something. I don't know. These are pretty darn fun. You're getting lots of kind of different stuff in this. This is like if you're getting ready to have like a party. Another version. There's two of every sheet in here, which I think is cool. All right, so another set of boxes. Wow, this is like party box favor. Let's celebrate with love. Look at that. Just for you. Made with love. Oh, so this is like a gift card holder. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Like pre-made gift card holders, that's what that is. More labels and tags, so gorgeous. Look at all the bright and shiny. This stuff is like super bright, shiny, so gorgeous. Oh, strips. So here we're getting into something different. Here's all these like different strips that you can get. That's cool. I don't know why I'm keep pulling from the bottom. And then we're getting some traditional papers, what I would call it. So super traditional, easy papers. Look at those, all those gorgeous colors in there. It's very bright, very brilliant. We have some sticker sheets. That way you can label anything. Full alphabet with numbers. Oh, we get a vellum. That's gorgeous. 2 vellums. Oh, 3 vellums. Never mind. 4 vellums. So you get 4 vellum sheets. It's like, but wait, there's more. And even more beautiful shiny stars, more dots, lines, and then dots, but like confetti dots. That is just so neat. I love that. So, wow, a complete array of just foily glitter, not glitter, but just foiliness, shiny, pretty. That's pretty awesome. Okay, now we're going to open up the next kit that is in here. And I'm seeing more shiny, pretty, foily stuff. That's so cool. Okay, We're getting our, what I would call the lovely Love from Lizi. These are black and they're like glitter black, and it's a nice contrast. It gives you, because if you just added more gold or more silver, it would just be kind of like, oh my God, overboard. But it's a beautiful black. There are all these different strips of different widths of colors. Not colors, sorry, of widths of these strips. You get some tiny ones, some fat ones, they're all over. And those are kind of a fun thing to get in every kit, and they always tie in with various colors. So those are really cool. We get a large stencil. That is pretty cool. It's all these big circles and stuff. Very fun. Here we get, what is this? They're mirrors. That's so cool. They're like sticker mirrors. Ooh. That's fun. Oh, and then we get another paper. Wow, more papers. Okay, so I think we're getting some more of the papers. Here we get another alphabets. Okay, it's just an A through Z. I don't see, oh, there is numbers. They're just up here. We also get some more vellum. I love that. And then we get some more cardstock. Oh, look, so we're getting some repeated cardstock. Oh, the opposite of the dots. That's so fun. Here we have it like a zigzag, another gorgeous print. I mean, these are so pretty. It's going to make some for some awesome cards here. So lots of beautiful foil, what I would call, they're very geometric, and therefore you can cut them up and layer them and have all kinds of fun with it. We get some more labels and tags. Oh, these are to make bows. So this is actually really cool. So you can pull these pieces apart and you layer them together. So like these two go together. Let's see if I remember how to do this. So you fold this over like this. And then you can put a little brad in there, and that's the beginning of the bow, just like that. And then you layer that right on top of this one. And there is already a little dot. So that's it. That's as hard as that gets. And there's so many layers in here. There's already a little dot in here, and that's where you can put a cute little brad, and there's dots on the ends here. And so you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bows, and you can mix and match. So I could take this little top piece that I've got right here, and you layer it just perfectly. And I could place it over top of this, or sorry, like this one. I could put it over top of this one. So you don't have to. I could put it over top of this one. So you can have fun, and you don't have to match. You know, you could go with the silver. Have a blast with which ones you put where, and it makes it quite fun. Or you can layer it completely on itself, and that's the way a bow looks. I mean, it looks super sweet. Just so adorable. I love that. So we get bows. I love it when everything is kind of pre-made and I just have to assemble. My job's made so much easier that way. We get some beautiful tags. Look how easy these are just to pop out. Lots of beautiful tags. I mean, just look, stick this made with love tag on a card. So super simple kit. And then just to make life easy, because there's already so much going on here, we are getting some to make some cards, which I think I'm going to do a mix of cards and boxes for my kits. We get a whole bunch of sheets right here. You get 2 black, and we're getting 3 white to make what I would call almost like New Year's Eve cards, or it could go towards wedding, or it could be like anniversary. I mean, these are really kind of fun, or just simple invites, what I would call like everyday cards. Those are cool. Okay, so that's all the papery stuff, plus some really cool mirror stickers. I think those are great. Now we have all the little bitty things that are in here, which are just fun. If you're tinkling sounding, tink, tink, tink. Oh, it's metals. Okay, so I'm gonna put a piece of white paper here so we can see all the amazing things that are in here. First, we have a giant Let's Celebrate stamp. I mean, that thing is massive. And then we have another stamp that says best, loveliest friend, best and loveliest. This beautiful geometric hello. Hey, lovely, you're a star, a little diamond, and made with love. Those are really fun. Okay, we then get our Nouveau drops. We get crystal Nouveau drops. This one is in ebony black. So she has done all metallic in this kit, and the one extra color she has added is black, which I think is great. And then black and white, just keeping it very simplistic. Here we have a ribbon, and it says celebrate. Very cool, very different. And then we get a whole bunch of other ribbons, and just this is a what I would call, there's a lot of ribbons in this one this time. This one is like a velveteen ribbon. This one is a white ribbon that says happy birthday, repeating all over it. I love ribbons because there's so much you can do with them. They're just so fun. We have a kind of a gold color again. We also have what I would call just like a neutral silver, almost like a platinum, and then a white, and then the black. So really keeping in some very neutral colors. We also get our glitter bomb, confetti, sequin thing that's so pretty. In here we have all the metallics. So I see like silvers, platinums, there's stars, there's circles. There's also black and they're white. And the circles of the sequins, some of them are flat, some of them are faceted, and they're all different sizes. So that's really fun that you get a big variety there. We also get a tiny little die set. That's always fun. I think those are fun to get. So here we pop this open, and what do we get? You get, oh, it's like a little birthday. So it looks like a wand. I think that's a wand. And then it looks like a little birthday box or like a little gift box. And then a miniature tiny tag. Look how tiny that is. And then we get all these beautiful, what I would call, these are charms. It's various little charms. They're all different shapes. They're all very geometric shapes. We have circles, we have triangles, we have stars, we have squares, or you could flip it to be a diamond. And they're all in either silver or gold. So cool. So this is it. This is our Love from Lizi kit. This is the August kit. Oh, one more thing. I completely forgot. And then in here, we also have silver dollar embossing powder. That is in the kit as well. So wow, that is so awesome. There's so many cool things in here, from making three-dimensional like punch-out shapes. You can make stuff. There is these little mirrors in here. There's all these layers of papers. There's a stencil. There's stickers. One thing of stickers. Everything else is punch-outs that you then would glue down. So super fantastic. I can't wait to delve into this. This is just like shimmery, shiny goodness. So links are down below where you can find all the information. Don't forget, come back and I will be making 10 cards, but it won't just be cards this time. I think we're going to make a few little fun boxes as well with this one kit, which is absolutely great. So you can also, instead of doing a card, it's a gift card. That's a gift card holder. So I'm still going to have like a card or like a card box, something like that. So please subscribe. I will see you guys later, and bye-bye.